Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to screenshot using your Magic Keyboard. So this tutorial is for the iPad. If you are stumbling across this video on the MacBook, this tutorial will also work for the Mac. So what I want you to do is check your keyboard, and there are a couple of buttons we need to press. So we're either going to press Command, Shift and 3 or Command, Shift and 4. So let's take a look at what Command, Shift, 3 does. So we'll just hold down Command, Shift, 3, and you can see it's going to take a quick screenshot right here. You just swipe to the left and that will save to your camera roll. You tap on it and you'll be brought to the editor and you can edit the screenshot. Then just tap on done, save, or trash and then delete screenshot. So I'm just going to do that. Now if you want to get to that editing page right away, right after you take the screenshot, just hold down Command, Shift and 4. And this will instantly take you to the edit mode where you can, edit your screenshot how you like, and then you can either save it or delete it. Now, that's really all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.